guilty. We've been here for about 3 hours, but I haven't vlogged because when I got here I was tired. I slept, I ate. Now we're just sitting in the living room watching show. Yeah. So yeah, we're just gonna chill here. Nothing ready to do right now. Tomorrow we have a little picnic at the waterfall, so that's what we're gonna be doing tomorrow. But for today, we're just gonna chill. After watching TV, probably go take a shower and go to bed. That's all for today. So I'll get back to you guys tomorrow.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. So I'm back. It's the next day. Okay. I took shower, ate breakfast. I'm just waiting for my mom. We're about to go to Kpatawee Waterfall. I'm gonna take you guys along. We're just sitting here waiting. Just here. Me and Miss Woman. I don't know how to vlog. I'm awkward. And tell y'all thank you for coming into the camera. And tell y'all I won't be on camera. But yeah, it's the next day. I'm just chilling, waiting for us to go. Wow. You cannot do anything in this house. Nothing. Kolokwa. What's up?
A few moments later.
Yeah.
Not you. Not you. Not you. Him.
Hey. Hold up.
Is your vlog on?
Yeah, it's on.
Hi.
Joel Taylor. Okay.
Hey, that's your mommy.
Yeah, man.
Oh, let's have a photo. Nigga, man, take me to your picture.
I want to take some nice photo from you.
So we here, we in the waterfall.
Mommy! It's a video. I'm sitting here on my little rock. Hey! That's it. It's not
Can you see that?
the Joel. Tonight take care of you now. I'm shaking. Hey. We made it all the way out here to the rock. Okay. Mara, you what's
moments later.
So guys, we're on our way home right now. We just left Kpatawee. We're in the car. Everybody's here. So yeah.
Just at 3 o'clock.
Yeah, correct. You ready?
We'll bring you more commercials later on in our broadcast. Coming up in the 5 minutes is the Waterfall. Gola
Gola, c'est ça?